Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now, it's nice to have every one of you back here today, and I remain your one and only, the Allah Brand Manager. And in regards to our brand management series, today we're going to be talking about developing great or unique brand names. Now, it is so important in business for individuals to have a unique brand name that helps the business to sell. And your brand name is an identity that enables individuals to have a cordial, a close relationship with your business, and to really understand what your business is all about and what ideology is behind your brand. We've seen so many brand names that are doing quite well that individuals can immediately become with such brands when they hear the name or when they see the brand logo. And we have already talked about how to make a simple logo using Canva in one of our classes. And today we want to talk about and make a practical step on how to find or develop a unique brand name for your business. And again, let me reiterate that if you are finding it quite difficult for you to develop a brand name yourself, the truth is that you don't need to worry. You don't need to worry, as there are so many applications out there on the internet that you can use to generate a unique brand name, even a brand logo. So one of those applications, we're going to discuss it today, and we're also going to find out how to make use of this application. And one of it is what we call Namelist. Now, Namelist is a wonderful application that helps individuals to generate unique and eye-catching brand names and logo. Now, Namelist is a free online web application that enables individuals to select a sector that the brand is into, and then use that sector to generate a unique brand name. Okay, so we're going to jump into our web browser, and see a step-by-step approach on how to generate a unique brand name for your business. So watch me and let us go on. Now, the first thing is to open your browser and type in www.namelist.com. So press the enter key. Okay, I think the internet is, so let's see. Alright, so you can see here I had to go to Microsoft Bing, the search engine. You can go to Google too, or just type in www.namelist.com and click on it. It's a free AI powered application that helps you to generate your business name. Now you can see that we have the desktop here, the platform or the Windows the Namelist window here already opened. That we can see the Namelist logo at the left hand side. Then we have the business name generator using artificial intelligence. Then we have the designer, which is brandmark.io. Now here we have the box, the prompt box that says enter keywords. So we can enter keywords. Keywords are words. They are words that are most used consistent. They are constantly being used, or they are common words that people can really align to immediately. So these keywords will help us to generate a series of names, a series of unique names and unique brand names that we can pick from. Okay, So what are the keywords that people use often and often in the media space or online? For example, let's assume that I am into food. Probably I make cakes. Let's use cakes for example. I'm in the food sector. I make cakes. So I want to generate a logo or a brand name under this keyword. Okay, the keyword, I'll use the keyword cake here to be able to generate a unique name for my cake business. So I'll come down here and type cake. Okay, so I'll click on generate. So it will filter through the various results that are available. Then it will ask me what name length do I want the brand name to be. Now be very cautious when you're using a brand name. Please do not use lengthy words. Okay, use small number of words, letters. Okay, and it is appropriate for you to go for the 3 to 6 letter words. Okay, this is more appropriate for you as they look more appealing, and it is easy for people to really call them or be able to memorize them whenever they need to search for your business online. So I'm selecting the 3 to 6. You can, if you can go for the 6 to 12, no problem, or 12 or longer names, but be careful, go for short names. So I'll use the 3 to 6 letter names and I'll click generate. So you can see now the AI is prompting to generate various names and various logos. So you can see this now. I have various names under the cake, under cakes. So I can pick from this and use as my brand name. Now you can see that we have premium here. So Namelist also wants to be able to generate money, to generate funds, to be able to continue providing the required services online. So if you have the finance to be able to pay for premium package, is a very good one because you have access to these names and it becomes due automatically when you pay for it. And you can see here that we have series of free names so that we can also pick from. Okay, so we have names that we can pick from and use as our brand name. So you can see that it looks like most of the catchy words are premium, but there are also some that are catchy that you can make use of and select. Let's see the one that we can use for our cakes. Okay, you can say fritter cakes. Okay, I can see toaster. Okay, you can see butter cakes, manja cakes. Okay, so let me go for the free ones that I can quickly make use of. Let me see if I can see okay, I can go for Kajeta. Now the beauty of this is that immediately you sign up on Namelist, you have the opportunity to also register that brand name on your internet. That is, you can immediately register the domain name. That is, you can register www.kajeta.com online immediately and have access to this brand name. Okay, so you can see what I have here now. I have this name already. It has helped me to decide on which brand name to make use of immediately. So I can decide to call my brand name Kajeta Cakes. Okay, and I have a name already. I can now go ahead and open up a website or a Facebook shop for this brand name. I can use kajeta.com, I can use kajeta.org, I can use kajeta.net because it is readily available here. Okay, so this is just one of the ways by which you can create a brand name. I can save this, I can edit. Okay, I can edit it. So let's click on edit and see what comes up. You can see I can edit if I don't like this color. I can come down and begin to edit the name. I can come down and edit edit the name. Let's see, I want to change the Kajeta to Kajeta Cakery, Kajeta Cakes. Okay. Kajeta Cakes. I want cakes to be there. Okay. I can change the font color. Let me make it purple. And let's see what it looks like. Okay, let me select everything. So let me see how we can change this. So I'm trying to select okay, let me select from here and let me see if I can give it the right color. So let's look at the name once again. Okay, let's okay. Now I believe that I should be able to select this. Let's see. Okay, let's see the background. Let's see if we can change the background color. We have none. We can change the background color. Let's see if we can change it down to something else. Let's see blue. Okay, background color. See how that looks like. Okay, so I've been able to give this a new background, but I still do not know why it's becoming difficult to select. See if I can increase this to accommodate the name. Okay. So let's see if they can get other fonts so they can. I think I'm okay with this. I think I'm okay with that. So this is just one of the ways by which you can edit. You can edit your logo and create a very unique one for yourself. Then you can begin to make use of it immediately. So this is just a tip of some of those things that you need to know. So this is how the logo will come out or look like in when you have an ID card, we have a souvenir bag and the others. So you can see that now that this is how it will appear on my Facebook page, and so many other things that you can achieve from this. Even electronic paper, you can create one. You can create an ID card from this, and you can also create a unique brand customized bags with this. I hope you've been able to benefit from this class, and I would like to see you in other classes. So now that we have been able to do this, you can save this or use the name immediately and do some editing on your own, or probably you can use other applications with the name that you have generated and continue to make use of the brand name and get it registered immediately. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Bye.